to your first alert weather forecast. My name is Dooley Godot, and we're going to be talking about the weather across the Twin Cities and southern Minnesota today, as we saw some showers and thunderstorms roll through this morning with some good rumbles out there, a little bit of heavy rain, and a little bit of hail I even heard out there. But all that's gone now for now, and none of that was severe, so thank God for that. We're looking outside here at the city of St. Paul. You can see Minneapolis out there in the distance. Beautiful day out there. Nice warm conditions compared to what we're used to here in the Twin Cities. Here is a look at I-35, and we got 94 working its way through there. Traffic is looking good right now. No traffic complaints, but there is construction starting. I know my wife had to deal with that coming home from school yesterday. The traffic on 94 over by my college out there where I go to school, and it's going to be kind of a pain in the butt here as we have two seasons in Minnesota. We have winter and construction season, and that's where we're coming into our construction season right now. But let's talk more about the weather, shall we? And let's take a look at that radar and kind of take a look outside and see what's going on, okay? All right, here we are with a live look at the radar outside right now, and here's what we're seeing across the state of Minnesota. We're seeing some showers and thunderstorms rise up here from the south metro here from southern Minnesota. We got us a nice little round of storms working their way to the north. Going to be moving through the Twin Cities here shortly, and then a stronger area of showers and storms out here towards southwestern Minnesota and northeastern South Dakota here. These showers and storms are going to be building in here from Aberdeen through Sioux Falls, and those are going to be working its way to the north and east there, and eventually this line is going to extend down into Iowa, and we're going to see that big line of storms because this is where our cold front is right now. So we're just seeing things get started along the frontal boundary here, so we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms really take off down in that region, and eventually this whole system is going to work its way to the east. So we're going to see those severe storms this afternoon. It should be a pretty exciting evening across the state of Minnesota this afternoon and tonight. Here we are looking here towards the Dakotas and into the great state of Montana there, and we're starting to see snow out here, of course, in central North Dakota here, as well as in South Dakota. We're starting to see some of that snow out there, as you're going to see blizzard conditions, as the National Weather Service do have a blizzard warning for those areas. So that is a look at the radar right now. So let's jump into our forecast. So now, as we continue our weather forecast, and we're going to talk about the maps out there and take a look at what's going to be happening across the country over the next few days here. And here is a look at our watches and warnings that we have in place right now. And we have this very large area of high wind. So we have a high wind warning across a large swath of the Midwest right here, from Oklahoma all the way into South and North Dakota. There we're going to be seeing those high winds. Our blizzard warning here across North Dakota and Montana. You guys are going to be seeing those high winds. And we have our red flag warning down here across the southern plains into Texas, all the way up to Nebraska. You guys are going to be dealing with those dry conditions that's going to be responsible for contributing to those fires that take place out there. So we do have that fire danger in place for the southern plains as well. Here we are with our winter weather and winter storm watches here through the Intermountain West, from Colorado all the way up to Idaho and Montana. You guys are going to be seeing that winter weather. So you got that springtime severe weather right next in the same vicinity as you have severe winter weather. All of this is severe winter weather. It's severe weather, but just in different ways. You have the severe thunderstorms, and you have a blizzard as well. And this can also have some convective components to it. So thunder snow is not out of the question for these areas that's going to be dealing with the blizzard warning. And here we are across the Southwest. We're looking at beautiful conditions as we have high pressure in control down over the east and out over the far west. Here's a look at our weather map right now. Here's our storm system, our area of low pressure here, located in north and on the border of North and South Dakota and Minnesota. We got our triple point right here. We have our cold front. There is a warm front extending out to the east there, and there's a little bit of an occlusion right here. So you do have our triple point. So right here, this area right in here is going to be that focus for that severe weather right here in Minnesota and South Dakota. So if you're in Sioux Falls to Aberdeen to the Twin Cities, everybody in those areas going to be dealing with the brunt of the severe weather this afternoon. That's the isolated tornadoes, large hail, at least 1.25 inch hail. We're talking damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour with some of those severe thunderstorms out there. You could see some severe thunderstorms all the way down this cold front through the Mississippi Valley, as well as the southern plains here in the North Texas. You're going to be seeing those severe thunderstorms as well, but the dynamics for the worst of it is here across the northern plains into Minnesota. Here's what we're going to be seeing for your Sunday. Here's where our storm is going to be. Here, moving into the Great Lakes now and the Ohio Valley. You guys are going to be next to receive that severe weather and those thunderstorms. But I think here in Minnesota today is going to be the worst. It's going to kind of be a little bit weaker as the storms move to the east, because it's going to head on up into Canada. And you have this large area of high pressure out over the Atlantic and along the southeast that's going to kind of help to deflect this storm and send it to the north and east into the northeastern Canada and over the northeastern U.S. You guys are going to start to deal with this storm, but this high pressure is going to kind of give the southeast a helping hand to kind of minimize their risk of severe weather in those regions as this storm makes its way to the north and east. As we look out to the west coast here, everything is looking beautiful for your Sunday. So continued dry conditions from the Pacific Northwest down to the Southwest. LA, San Diego, Phoenix, and Tucson. You guys are going to be looking great. Temperatures are going to be comfortable as you're going to see those 80s out in the deserts, but you will see the 60s along the Pacific coast and California there. Here we go, what we're going to be seeing your storm on Monday. So now we got a secondary cold front that's going to drop down out of Canada. This is going to be a dry front. All this is really going to do is to help drop the temperatures across the northern plains. We're seeing those 70s across Minnesota today. By Monday, 30s. That quick, the 30s are going to be back, because of this secondary cold front that all it's going to do is to help drop those temperatures, change those winds to the north and northeast. So we're going to get those cold Canadian winds once again as this storm gets pushed to the east and southeast. High pressure is going to remain in control across the southeast, and this storm is going to kind of slither its way off into the northeast, into Canada there, and go off into the North Atlantic. But we do have another storm that's going to make its way onto the Pacific Northwest, start to spread some rainfall into Washington and Oregon there, but the Southwest is going to remain dry for your Monday. And here we are looking at the severe threat across Minnesota. Here's what we're looking at for your Saturday. So we're going to have those scattered thunderstorms may develop from central to southern Minnesota this afternoon and evening. Some of the storms could be strong to severe, right? We're going to have large hail and damaging winds are the primary threats, though a tornado cannot be ruled out. And these will be fast moving storms, so the weather might change rather quickly today. Please continue to monitor the forecast, especially Mr. Dooley here, as I'm going to keep you updated on what's going on out there. So monitor the forecast, especially if you have outdoor plans today. And here is our slight risk of severe weather and our marginal risk of severe weather over into Wisconsin, northern Minnesota, as well as parts of North and South Dakota. But right here, where the Twin Cities is, Minneapolis, St. Paul, we're right in that slight risk area. So that means that we have that chance of seeing scattered severe thunderstorms, whereas the areas where the one is isolated marginal severe storms. So we have a better chance of seeing severe weather if you're in the yellow area. And here is a look at the forecast for today. Here we're going to have a high temperature of 75 with those showers and thunderstorms. This morning's low was 45 degrees, but we're going to be cloudy today and windy. We do have that high wind warning in effect. We're just going to see those winds approach 40. We'll take a look at the winds in a second here, but cloudy and windy today with rain showers likely. A chance of thunderstorms may become strong to severe. So those severe thunderstorms are on tap for this afternoon and evening. Here's a look at some of the wind speeds across the area. Twin Cities, we're going to see those winds about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Here's the overall wind speed especially we head into Sunday as well. We're going to see them about 40 miles per hour down here in the Twin Cities. But if you move into northern and central Minnesota, you see those wind speeds out in some of those open areas, especially on western and southwestern Minnesota. Some of those winds, Fairmont, 55 miles per hour. Some of those winds are going to be hit in the mid 50 mile per hour range. And here is our 5-day forecast coming up. So for Sunday, we're going to see that chance of rain in the morning hours. That's going to quickly move on off to the east. We're going to see those temperatures in the mid 40s to mid 50s. Across the state of Minnesota after this morning's low, tonight's low, and tomorrow morning low in the 25 to 35 range. But we're going to see those clouds hang around for your Monday, a little bit more sunshine for you Tuesday, but those temperatures will start to plummet as we come down out of the 70s down into the 30s for highs for Monday. And then this is for far northern Minnesota, but we'll be about 42 in southern Minnesota. We'll be in between about 37 degrees for your high across the Twin Cities for your Monday. Same thing for Tuesday, although a few degrees warmer, and then yet a few degrees warmer for Wednesday. Then more showers move in on Thursday, but you will see those high temperatures rebound a little bit as we try to climb back into the 50s and 60s. So that was a look at the weather across the Twin Cities today. Thanks for watching. My name is Dooley Goodell, and I'll be back later with the national forecast for your Sunday. But in the meantime, enjoy your day out there and just look for the next video. Have a great day, everybody. Oh, also remember to leave your likes, your comments. My channel has been really kind of taking off over the last few days. I'm up to 73 subscribers now. I appreciate everybody for the love that you've given me and gotten some good feedback from some of you guys. Please keep those comments going. Keep the likes going. I want to help to make the channel more engaging so that we can kind of grow in the algorithm and the channel can continue to grow. But thanks for all the love and support. Have a great day, and I'll be back with the next video for the next forecast. Bye-bye.